Hello, this is the extended WhatsApp conversation template. With this template, you can create up to 80 messages. So this template has 4 sets. Each set contain 20 messages. So for example, if you want 40 messages, then you have to open set 1 and set 2 and edit all the 40 message bubbles. And then you have to use the set 2 final comp to render it. Hello, I'm going to explain how you can customize the CSV driven template. So for that you need to open the CSV file in your computer. So I just opened it. So here you can see 3 columns like message, timestamp and username. So you just have to make changes here and then you have to save the file and then you can see the updated result lively in the After Effects. So I'm going to change the first message. So I'm going to change it like something like this is first message done, and I'm gonna save it. So let me go to the After Effects and wait for a couple of seconds to load it. So here you can see the updated message right here. Likewise, you can update the timestamp and username. So, and if you wish to enter a couple of lines, you can do that by clicking the Alt and Enter key in your keyboard, and then you can type your second line. Something like this, and then I'm gonna save it again and I'm gonna change the time as well. So let me go to the After Effects. Here you can see the updated message and the updated timestamp. So this is how you can customize the message, time and then username in the CSV file. For the Mac users, you can open the CSV file in any CSV editor. You can just make the changes and then save it. It will work fine. So other instructions like customizing the conversation template are mentioned in the different tutorial, which is specifically made for the conversation template. So you can refer that. Hello, I'm going to explain how you can customize this phone screen template. For that, you just have to open the folders one by one and edit them. So let me start with the notification folder. So this is a easy composition. So you just have to edit the username, text, and then the timing. So this is just a text layer. You can just enter the timing or keep it now. And if you go to the control panel and you can see the color controls at the top. Here you can switch between light or dark mode, and then you can adjust the click effect like timing. So you can see the click effect is happening at the 3rd second. So you can see, sorry, 1.5 second. So you can see the click effect. You can adjust the timing, like maybe if I want to have it 3, I can have it at 3, yeah, something like this. And also you can adjust the box height, roundness and opacity right here. So let's go to the chat screen. So here we have the phone screen, like the status bar, and then this username bar, and then we have the input bar. So let's start with the status bar. So this is very simple. We just need to open the control panel. Here you can adjust the color, and then you can enter the start hour and start minute. So yeah, good to go. And then let's go to the chat screen, and we have the unread message count, and then we have profile picture, username, and then online status. These are just text layers. You can just edit them, and in the profile picture you can drop your own profile picture right here. And then you have the input. Okay, so this is the important part. So here you have to create keyframes, so in order to animate the typing effect. So for that I'm gonna select this particular layer, and then I'm gonna press U on the keyboard. So in this layer you have to create keyframes in even number. So for the message 3, I'm gonna animate the typing animation. So for that I'm gonna delete everything, and I'm gonna edit the text right here, like text message 3, and then I'm gonna create a keyframe, and then at the third second I'm gonna have the same keyframe again by copying and pasting it. So basically this is the start time and this is the end time. Now you can see the typing animation. So yeah, so like this you have to create keyframes. So I'm going to create one more keyframe for text message 5. For that I'm going to start at um, 4th second. Yes. So I'm going to I'm going to edit the text. For example, text message 5. So, and then I'm going to copy and paste the same keyframe at the 5th second. So we have the second typing animation at the 4th second. Perfect. So we have the typing animation. So, and then you can select this particular input text read only layer and then press F3 on the keyboard. So here you can adjust the, text color, cursor colors, cursor speed, and there is a control called stop blinking on completion. So you can, by default it is on, you can turn it off if you don't want blinking to be stopped on the completion. So, and then this particular layer is a guide layer. This won't be displayed outside this particular comp. So for the next we have the conversation. So for the conversation I recommend you to watch the another video tutorial specifically made for WhatsApp conversation. Yeah, that's all from this phone screen template. Thank you for watching. Hello, I'm going to explain how to customize this template. So let's start with the control panel. So for this, you just have to select the layer and then press F3 on the keyboard. So in the you can see two controls like message screen controls and message bubble controls. In the message screen control, just go to the main controls and then open left or right switcher. So first, you just have to set the left or right messages by clicking this checkboxes. So then you have to enter the timings for each and every message bubble. So based on the timing, the message bubbles will animate in. So you can adjust the timings right here. So once you're done with left and right alignment and then reveal timing controls, you just need to open the appropriate message bubbles and then you can edit the text and the timestamp. So for the text message one, we have selected the right bubble. So for that we need to go to the right bubble one and then you can edit the text right here. So if you want multiple line, you can do that by clicking enter in your keyboard and then you can enter the second line. And then you can double click the timing and then you can edit it like 10, 15, something like this. And okay, like this you can edit the message bubbles. And if you want to place the profile pic, you just have to go to the left message bubble and then under each folder you can see a profile pic placeholder. Just open that and drop your profile pic right here. Okay, so once you're done with the editing the message bubbles, then you can go back to the control panel. I'm going to explain how you can set up a group chat. So for that you need to go to the advanced controls and in the left message bubbles you can turn on the username. So I'm going to slightly adjust the left or right switcher controls. For that I'm gonna set the first initial 3 messages as a left bubble. So you just have to turn on the username. Then under this username on off control, you can disable the check boxes, and then you can create a group, something like this. Also you can change the tail right here. So you can, this is a iOS tail, and if you want Android tail, you can just enter one here. So something like this. So in case if you want to have multiple username in the left side, you can do that also. Just go here and then enable the username. So you have like 2 users and then you have 3 messages. So, and then for editing the username, again you have to open the appropriate message bubble, and then you can now edit the username right here by double clicking the username text layer, and then you can just edit the username. And then I'm gonna explain you how you can adjust the spacing. For that, you just need to go to the main controls, spacing controls. Here you can adjust the horizontal spacing and vertical spacing. So for horizontal spacing, just adjust the values. So something like this. And then for the vertical spacing, you can adjust the value like this. Yeah. You might have noticed that message is going out of the screen. For that, you need to adjust the width a little bit, something like 2500. Yeah. And then you can adjust the horizontal spacing like maybe 25, something like this. And then you can see the messages masked. For that, you just need to select the message bubbles, and then like this. I'm gonna do this, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. You have to select all the message bubbles and then turn on the collapse transformation. Yeah, then you're able to see the message bubbles. So yeah, maybe I can just increase a bit, little bit more, like 2700. Yeah, yeah, now you're able to see the message bubbles. So like this, you can adjust the horizontal and vertical spacing. Then you have the colors. So here you can adjust the left bubble colors like BG color. You can change the color and turn this chat into light mode. And also, if you want to adjust the username colors, you can adjust it right here. You can adjust the username's color right here, and then you can turn on all of the forwarded and edited tag like this. For example, if you want to turn the first message into forwarded, you can just turn it on. Also the edited one. So I'm gonna turn this, change this text message 4 into edited. So I'm gonna do it like this. So you can do like this. Yes. And then you can also turn on the profile picture for the right bubble. For that you just need to go to the advanced controls, right bubble controls, and then you can turn on the right profile picture. So then you have to place the profile picture in the placeholder, so which is right here. So you can put the profile picture right here. Okay, then you have the sound SFX placeholder. Just open these two comps and drop your SFX. Then the sound is automated, so whenever you see a message is animating in, then you will hear the sound. For that, you just need to go here and make sure these two checkboxes are turned on. And then at last, we can look into the read receipt controls. So right now the read receipts are in default mode. So these are the timings for the delivered and seen message. So if you want to adjust or set the read receipt timing, then you have to turn this on. Then this will change to individual controls. For that, you have to open this, and then you have to adjust the timing in each and every message. So I'm gonna turn it off. Let me have the default read receipt timing. So yeah, so that's all from this message conversation template.